Welcome to HANZA. My name is Emeke Soogenbits and I'm the Managing Director of HANZA Baltics, which means two factories, one in Tartu and the other one in Narva in Estonia. In Tartu we have 500 people working and in Narva approximately 200 and growing. HANZA's slogan is "All you need is one," which means that we are manufacturing very many different parts for many complex products here in one place. Our main customers are coming from food technology, from medical technology, from industrial electronics, and also from many different parts of the world. The manufacturing units are machining, sheet metal, cable harnesses, and final assembly. All those units are producing low to medium volume parts for final assembly, where we are making lots starting from one piece and ending to 100, 200, 500 pieces. One of the key words of the world just now is sustainability. And here we are manufacturing the vast majority of the parts ourselves, buying also some components, making the final assembly and shipping it to the final customer's destination. The essence of HANZA is to help customers to solve their challenges with supply chains, purchasing, suppliers, quality issues, whatever you mean when building up value chain for the customer. Once again, the slogan of HANZA is "All you need is one." So if you need products from one place with one contact and with one partner to deal, then you are very welcome to HANZA, and please take contact with us because we are also looking for new customers.